your girl Chocolate Katie did here, aka Nyanza, aka Lucy, and any other name that you know me by. I know I've been going away from YouTube forever and a day, 3 days in fact. Life has been happening. I'll get into another video, but for now we're going to do my office reveal, and this is the manifestation of a lifelong dream. So before we go in, we have my sign. It reads, "She is clothed with strength and dignity and laughs without fear of the future." Proverbs 31:25. So I'm so excited about my room. I worked on this really hard and it was a lot of work and I was exhausted, but here it is. Ready? Let's go. Oh my gosh. So, this is my room. Also, it's my 35th birthday. So, this was also what my deadline was in me revealing this. So, you know, that's a milestone birthday. At least it is to me. And God gave me another year. So, first off, the first thing you should notice is this paint job, honey. So, when we came in, I had to... When we first moved in, we had a lot of stuff, and this was just a catch-all room. It just, all my stuff was in here and it was just a mess. So before, you know, I started dreaming, I went and I picked out colors, but before I could put anything on the wall, I had to clean this room out. So we cleaned the room out, then I was able to see what I was doing, what I was working with. I went on, I did the first coat of the pink. After that dried, I then had to come in and go through the tedious process of measuring all of these stripes that go all the way around the wall and taping off. And once I finished, I think that was pretty good. I think I did a good job. I've always wanted I'm a shoe fanatic. So I've always wanted a way to be able to display my shoes. Now, by no means, and my husband can tell you, this is a fraction of my shoes. So I split them up. From here on the left side, you have the colored shoes, and then on the opposite side, on the right side, you have all the neutral shoes. So I had my OCD went into effect, so I had all of the shoes color coordinated and put them here, and then I'm gonna get to the dresser later. But I got these pieces. Some of them I upcycled. So already had this. My mom gave this to me. I actually got this and these bookends. I got these from Goodwill for like $2. But if you see these other places, they're even more expensive. Fun fact about me. When I think, I don't know when this happened, but as a kid, I've always done it, and I still do it. When I think, I scratch my butt. I don't know why. Don't judge me. But my mother thought it would be funny to give me this picture after my grandfather passed. So this is a lady playing tennis and scratching her butt. Whatever, Mom. You got jokes. So that's that side. Then over here, I just upcycled. These were originally white. I got these at Walmart. You see these everywhere. I just upcycled them by spray painting them gold, and I took all the drawers out, spray painted them gold. I also needed something to put my brushes in, so I got this. My mom actually gave me this. This was like a Valentine's Day card thingy, and I just took the magnet piece out and just put all my brushes in it. My mother, this was my first makeup box, and this used to be a really, really dark brown, and it's metal and like wicker. It used to be really, really dark brown. So I decided to spray paint it, put all of my loose eyeshadows. I already had my clear organizer with all my makeup, so I have some lipsticks in here. Okay, so I actually found this picture frame, and you see these everywhere, and I saw this in Walmart and was about to buy it. And it was $24.99. It retails for $24.99. I found this at Goodwill for $2.92. So, and it was originally black. So I brought it home, spray painted, of course, because that's what I'm loving doing, and filled it with my family's pictures, and I absolutely love it. So now we're gonna come to the vase. The vase was actually, I upcycled this. This was actually on my dining room table, but it was too tall and we can't see each other, so I decided to move it. And I'm like, well, since it's gonna be sitting in the corner, I might as well use it in my room, and I needed some flowers anyway. So I came and I spray painted it, and I love the shape of this because it's sort of kind of shaped like a woman, like curvy. So I decided to take my sash from my wedding day that was on my dress. I decided to tie it around here like a corset. So I'm upcycling things I used when I was married. So that then takes me over here to this shelf. This shelf here, these are my shoes that I wore on my wedding day, and this is my clutch. And I felt like they went perfect in this room. So this is all my neutrals shoes going on down to animal print, and some of my black shoes. So we have all of that. Okay, so I'm not gonna show the inside of my dressers, but I can talk about how this was. Baby, when I say I found this dresser at Goodwill, no, I'm sorry, at a thrift store for $10, I wasn't leaving it. It's a real wood dresser and it fits perfect. What I ended up having to do for my dresser to fit in between these two spots, I had to saw out. Measure the width of the cabinets, or the depth of the cabinets, the bookshelves. I had to saw that out so that it can fit in here flush, so that it looks like it's one piece. Okay, so the cutting was one thing, but baby, then it came time to paint. Lord. So had to go through all of that, and I wasn't about to go through the whole rigmarole of doing the sanding. Yeah, I wasn't about to do that. So what I did was I got some flat white spray paint, and then I used the white paint that I used to do these stripes on the wall. I did the dresser. Keep in mind, this dresser used to be like a deep brown color. So I decided to paint it all white, take all of the hardwood off, and spray paint it, as opposed to buying new hardwood. I didn't have to do all that. So I went, I spray painted it all, and honey, here she is, okay? She was a lot of work. Being down in that garage and running over here to do this and that, it was a lot of work. So I am so happy and proud of how this came out. It came out better than I thought. Okay, so now let's come to this box. That was another little ditty that I got, which was awesome. So I went and I bought this box, and when I opened it, it was another thing inside. So I assumed it was a jewelry box with the little compartments, because it was wrapped in paper. So I got it, I'm like, oh, okay, that'll be great for my rings and everything. So I got this box. Get to home, my spirit said, look at the box. It was another identical box that is actually on my desk right here. So that was awesome. But got those two boxes. One was inside of the other. The lady never even got a chance to look at it. So I was grateful for that, because it even had a price on it, but I didn't know. Now onto the table. This table I got I'm in a group on Facebook. It's like a yard sale group from my area, and it was black wrought iron and kind of rusty. And I've been looking at tables like this, and they were super expensive. This lady was selling this table for $25, where I had been seeing $189, $285, $312, different things like that. And I snagged this for a bargain, so I decided to come home, spray paint that so she can go along with my theme. And yeah, that worked out perfect. Worked out perfect because it goes perfect with the mirror.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so I know y'all looking and y'all see I don't have no shoes on. Well, in this room, everything is white, nice, clean, crisp, glamorous. This is a shoeless room. So I don't wear shoes in this room. I don't allow my family to wear shoes in this room. So yeah, that's why we in here barefoot, but my feet are together and it's all right. So now that, but since we on the floor, let's talk about this rug. I found this rug as well. Oh, I've always wanted a furry rug like this. And they were so expensive. So I actually was able to grab this one. It went perfect with my desk. And it feels so good in between my toes. So okay, so now onto my desk. My desk, I actually found, I wanted a desk that was wide enough for me to be able to do many different things on. If I want to do a DIY, if I want to do my makeup and I have my makeup all sprawled across, I wanted the room to do that. So I got this desk. It's 55 inches wide and it gives me plenty of space to do what I need to do. So this is the matching box to that one that I was just telling you about. How bougie is that? I put my pens in it. I always look for my Post-its, so they're always in front of me. When I'm here and I'm in Bible study and in worship, and this is also my war room. So I'm in here and I'm worshiping. Sometimes I'll want to write something down or make a bookmark, and I don't necessarily want to just mark it because I'll forget that it's there. So I'll use my little Post-its for that. Always gonna be there, and then it matches my decor. And I found these at Dollar General, this at Ross, this at Ross. You know, they just went on. And this candle, oh my gosh, honey, it's strawberry mimosa and it smells so good. Yes, honey. Oh, I love candles. So another upcycle. I love journals. I love to write. That's why my pens, my Bible, everything is right here. I upcycled this basket. Once again, my mom gave me this, and it just so happened that it went perfect along with the decor. Yeah, I could have spray painted it to get some of the rust off, but I like the worn feel of it. So this is where my journals, I place all my journals right here so I can grab them, quick access. Okay, y'all, so this is my room. And I think I did a pretty good job. You know, it was definitely a lot of hard work, but it definitely paid off. But you may be asking yourself, what is the point in me doing all this? Why did she do all of this? Well, I'll tell you. I actually did this room for several reasons. One of the reasons being I've joined the paparazzi team. So I've joined under my sister Stephanie, shout outs to you, under the Save and Slay team. So come on and get, let's save and slay on the budget. Also, if you got a room and you need my services, as you see, your girl is nice with the interior design, holla at me. Let me know how it is. And also for my birthday, some of y'all can be some of my first customers. So I'll put my link to my website down below. Make sure you have that. I'm also going to be going live on Facebook after this is posted. If you have any questions about it, put them down in the comment section and then we'll answer them all on live. So yeah, that's what it is. I'm also going to be doing on this channel, I'm going to be doing get ready with me's and tutorials and different houseware tutorials as time goes on, along with showing my jewelry pieces and so forth and so on, doing my organization of my drawers. All of that is all going to be on this video. So yeah, that's about it. Thank y'all for watching. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Love y'all.